हेलो एवरीवन, मैं सुषमा दमन आपके लर्निंग टू स्पीक फ्लुएंट इंग्लिश के सफ़र में हम इंग्लिश लिसनिंग से स्पोकन इंग्लिश की प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं। इर्रेगुलर वर्ब्स एंड इंग्लिश लिसनिंग फॉर स्पोकन इंग्लिश प्रैक्टिस की वीडियो पार्ट 3 है। ये वीडियो पार्ट 1 एंड 2 ज़रूर देख लें। आज लिसनिंग प्रैक्टिस होगी ऐसे इर्रेगुलर वर्ब्स के सेंटेंसेस की जिनके तीनों फॉर्म्स डिफरेंट होते हैं, जैसे गो, वेंट, गॉन, डू, डिड, डन। इंग्लिश लिसनिंग से इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग तक पहुंचना है, इसलिए नो ट्रांसलेशन। लिसन टू दिस सेंटेंसेस अगेन एंड अगेन, बाद में स्पीकिंग प्रैक्टिस करें। आपको अभी बस सुनना है, लिसनिंग प्रैक्टिस करनी है। आंखें बंद करके सुने कई बार, 2-3 बार सुनने के बाद वर्ब्स पहचाने और उसकी फॉर्म्स कैसे बदली समझें। उसके बाद भी अगर कुछ डाउट है तो बाद में टेक्स्ट चेक करें एंड लिसन अगेन। Now just close your eyes, relax and listen. I go to office by bus. He went to office by train yesterday. He has already gone home. They have gone home early today. Please go and blow your nose. The referee blew the whistle. The referee has blown the whistle to end the match. The hot winds have blown all the summer this year. We should not break the traffic rules. He dropped the plate and it broke into pieces. He has broken the rules. They have broken the rules. Did she give any reason? She didn't give any reason. He gave me this book to read. They have already given you the report. She hasn't given the report yet. I know the manager. He knows me since my childhood. She knew that I like roses. She has known us since we were young. We have known them for 2 years. Please ring the bell when you need me. The doorbell rang loudly. They have rung the bell twice. Did you see their new house? Yes, I saw it last week. I have also seen their new house. Rajat has already seen their new car. Please take the dog out for a walk. I took a taxi to my office. He took out his purse from his pocket. She has taken a shortcut. Please throw the waste in the bin. She threw her arms around me. The gardener has thrown the weeds in the compost bin. Write your name and phone number here. He writes for the local newspaper. She wrote a long letter to her father. She has written many poems. I have written 2 stories for children. You speak English so well. You spoke well at the meeting last Monday. He has spoken with the manager. Now listen to these sentences again and again and practice speaking in front of mirror. आगे और भी सीखेंगे। अगर ये वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगा है तो लाइक एंड शेयर करें। प्लीज़ कमेंट्स भी पोस्ट करें। नए हैं चैनल पर तो सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल। अपना ध्यान रखें। बाय बाय।